The ancient warriors called it Mushin, the mind of no mind. Here's why modern science agrees it's the secret to unstoppable focus. Understanding peak performance. Peak performance is the state where an individual operates at their highest potential, achieving optimal results with minimal wasted effort. It transcends mere productivity. It's a harmonious alignment of mind, body, and spirit. This state is characterized by intense focus, effortless execution, and a deep sense of fulfillment. Athletes call it the zone, artists describe it as flow, and professionals recognize it as being in the groove. Regardless of the label, peak performance is where excellence becomes second nature. The psychology of peak performance. At its core, peak performance is rooted in psychology. The mind must be trained to eliminate self-doubt, fear, and distractions. Cognitive techniques such as visualization, positive self-talk, and mindfulness help rewire the brain for success. Studies show that elite performers cultivate a growth mindset. They see challenges as opportunities rather than obstacles. By mastering mental resilience, one can sustain high performance even under pressure. The role of discipline and habits. Peak performance is not accidental. It's the result of disciplined habits. Consistency in routines, whether in preparation, execution, or recovery, builds the foundation for sustained excellence. High achievers adhere to strict schedules, deliberate practice, and continuous improvement. Habits like waking up early, maintaining a healthy diet, and structured training compound over time, leading to extraordinary results. Physical conditioning and energy management. The body is the vessel through which peak performance is expressed. Physical health directly impacts mental clarity, stamina, and emotional stability. Regular exercise, proper nutrition, and adequate sleep optimize energy levels. World-class performers prioritize recovery as much as exertion. Overtraining leads to burnout, while balanced conditioning ensures longevity and performance. Emotional mastery and stress resilience. Emotions can either fuel or derail performance. Mastering emotional intelligence allows individuals to channel stress into motivation rather than paralysis. Techniques like deep breathing, meditation, and reframing negative thoughts help maintain composure. Peak performers don't avoid stress. They harness it, using pressure as a catalyst for heightened focus and determination. The power of purpose and vision. Without a compelling why, even the most talented individuals falter. A clear sense of purpose provides direction and motivation. Peak performers set bold, meaningful goals and align their daily actions with their long-term vision. Purpose acts as an internal compass, guiding decisions and sustaining effort through setbacks. The importance of focus and elimination of distractions. In an age of constant interruptions, the ability to concentrate deeply is rare yet invaluable. Peak performers cultivate laser-like focus by eliminating distractions, turning off notifications, setting boundaries, and practicing single-tasking. Multitasking dilutes effectiveness, while sustained attention on one task at a time leads to mastery. Continuous learning and adaptability. The pursuit of peak performance is a lifelong journey. The best performers remain students, constantly seeking knowledge and refining their skills. They embrace feedback, learn from failures, and adapt to changing circumstances. Stagnation is the enemy of excellence. Growth requires curiosity and a willingness to evolve. The role of environment and mentorship surroundings shape performance. Being in an environment that fosters growth, whether through supportive peers, inspiring mentors, or structured systems, accelerates success. Mentors provide guidance, accountability, and wisdom, helping individuals avoid pitfalls and fast-track their development. The science of flow state flow, a concept popularized by psychologist Mihaly Csikszentmihalyi, is the ultimate state of peak performance. It occurs when challenge meets skill, leading to complete absorption in the task. To access flow, one must engage in activities that are neither too easy, causing boredom, nor too difficult, causing anxiety. Structuring tasks with clear goals and immediate feedback enhances the likelihood of entering this optimal state. Overcoming limiting beliefs. Self-imposed limitations are the greatest barriers to peak performance. Many people sabotage their potential with thoughts like, "I'm not good enough," or "this is too hard." Rewiring these beliefs through affirmations, cognitive restructuring, and exposure to challenging yet achievable tasks unlocks new levels of capability. The balance between push and recovery. Peak performance is unsustainable without rest. The body and mind require cycles of exertion and recovery. Strategic breaks, vacations, and mindfulness practices prevent burnout. The best performers understand that downtime is not laziness. It's an essential component of sustained high performance. Leveraging technology and tools. Modern advancements, from biofeedback devices to AI-driven analytics, can enhance performance. Tracking metrics like sleep quality, heart rate variability, and cognitive load helps individuals optimize their routines. However, technology should serve as a tool, not a crutch. Human intuition and discipline remain paramount. The role of passion and enjoyment. Peak performance is difficult to sustain without genuine enjoyment. Passion fuels persistence, making hard work feel rewarding rather than burdensome. When individuals align their work with their intrinsic interests, they perform at their best effortlessly. The long-term perspective, legacy over short-term wins. True peak performance is not about fleeting success, but lasting impact. The greatest performers think in decades, not days. They build legacies through consistent effort, integrity, and contribution. By focusing on long-term mastery rather than immediate gratification, they achieve enduring greatness. Final thoughts. Accessing peak performance is a holistic endeavor, demanding mental fortitude, physical vitality, emotional resilience, and a relentless pursuit of growth. It is not reserved for the gifted, but is attainable by anyone willing to commit to the process. By integrating these principles, you can unlock your highest potential and operate at the zenith of your abilities.